Maayong adlaw Western Visayas, maayong adlaw West Visayas State University, and welcome back sa atong programa, The President's Hour. And of course, with us is our man in black, no? Our University President, Dr. Joselito F. Villaruz. Doc?
Maayong adlaw, Ma'am Babes.
Maayong adlaw.
Maayong adlaw sa aton mga tagpalamati, taga West Visayas State University, mga marals, maayong adlaw sa inyo tanan.
Okay, maayong adlaw gid sa liwat, no? So sini nga bulan sang Mayo, may manari-sari naman kita Doc nga i-share sa aton tumalanaw, no? Especially sa mga blessings naton nga nabaton sa bulan sang Mayo, Doc. And of course, no, ang ginapreparahan man naton, Doc, ang aton graduation. So before sina, Doc, ano ihan ang mga manari-sari naton nga mga blessings nga i-share sa aton viewers?
Well, to start with, yesterday we knew na we were included sa WURI rankings or the World University Rankings for Innovation. So last year, ang rank naton sini sa top 500 universities worldwide is 100, I think 180 plus. Mm-hmm. But this year, no, 2026, we ranked 137 all over the world, and we're one of the state universities and colleges that were included in the list. Ang apat ka areas, nag-excel kita in 4 areas of innovation. Mm-hmm. And this is something to be proud of. And this actually is a demonstration or a manifestation of the university's commitment for creativity and innovation. And that will have to be translated to student outcomes in their professional life once they graduate in the university.
Yes, Doc. And sa gihapon, Doc, no, na continuous, no, or padayon nga nakabalhag ang aton university, not just locally, Doc, but most especially internationally. Okay, so Doc, with that, hinakop na, Doc, ang aton school year 2025-2026. So, graduation naton is already set. So, what are the preparations, Doc, nga may ara ang aton university?
Yes, the university has already laid down the plans and the schedule for our graduation ceremonies, no, across all systems. So, starting May 25 this year to 28, we will be having graduation ceremonies in our external or satellite campuses. And starting June 4 to June 5, may araman kita na graduation ceremonies diri sa university. Sa June 4, ang aton nga undergraduate programs, graduation nila is going to happen in June 4.
Kag sa June 5
will be the graduation of the College of Law and the College of, the graduate school. Tapos sa June 25 pa yata ang College of Medicine. So, what's new about our graduation ceremonies this year, no? In as much as we really would like to comply with the requirements ng aton government to make graduation ceremonies more simple, kay tungod measure kita or nag-observe kita austerity measures as well as a response to the energy crisis. Mm-hmm. So siguro there will be some changes in terms of how we will conduct our graduation ceremonies.
Pero, Ma'am Babes, what is first that will happen in the university is that we will be giving out the diplomas, no? They're true actual diplomas for the very first time.
Alright.
Nga once they go up the stage, ang ma-receive nila nga diplomas is their true and actual diplomas na.
Okay.
Hindi na yung empty or bond paper lang ang
Oh,
sulod.
yes, Doc. So this is one innovation, Doc, no, nga gintinguhaan gid not just no sang colleges but the administration nga ti pagsaka mo sa stage lain gid, Doc, nga paglantaw mo dara graduation certificate. So
amo gid nang nami kay ti excited ka gid makuha dayon ang imong proof of your hard work.
yes, that is true. And Doc, na-mention ni mo kaina nga June 4 will be, or June 3 will be the recognition day. So, recognition day, Doc, harvest season na ini, Doc,
Yes.
no? So, ano ya, kung pamangkuton ikaw, Doc, sang imo nga college life, or during the time nga nag-eskwela, ikaw, ano ka ka-excited kung recognition day na, kay pag-ubayo, bag-uspatos, no? So, ano na yan, Doc, imo nga?
Siguro, Ma'am Babes, ang ma-share ko lang ang recognition days ko sa elementary kag high school. Kaysa college ako, I was never a brilliant student. Though wala gid ako ya kasaka sa recognition program at UP Visayas.
Pero sa medicine, tayo nagbawi kita. No?
So I need not enumerate that. But I was a dedicated student when I was a medical student na. So recognition is actually a time to give honor and recognition to our achievers. No? And this is a well-anticipated event, no, for our students, not only the graduating students, but also students in the undergraduate years, no? The years 1, 2, 3, kay gina-recognize with sang university ang hard work. But again, this time, we're gonna make these events or we're gonna make this celebration much simpler,
Yes.
simply because we're observing austerity measures.
Yes, that is very true, Doc, no? So, hindi sa yuron nga kung wala kita sang bago nga mga sapatos dira do hindi kita malipayon, no? But again, no, amo ini siya ang aton nga recognition na sang inyo nga ginput in nga labor during your school days diri sa university naton, Doc. Okay. So, Doc, diri naman kita, Doc, sa infrastructure basi matingala bala ang mga students naton may amat-amat na, Doc, nga no makita na naton ang beauty sang building, no, kung sa exit gate ikaw sa ILS ayun do ara na siya, Doc.
Yes.
What is this all about? I think na-mention ni naton last episode, pero can you please give us the details, Doc, sine?
Yes, actually, a lot of people has been texting me, asking me what that structure is all about. Yung very impressive structure, diriga atubang sa Iloilo National High School. No? So, ini ang aton nga building 1 of the College of Law, no? Which was designed, no, as a smart building to provide a better learning environment and atmosphere for our College of Law students. So, this is almost complete. Actually, ang isa naton ka faculty member, the First Lady of the Republic, already conducted her last session day in that particular building sa second floor. So, this will be ready actually for the next semester na gid.
Okay.
Kag we are planning to have this building inaugurated right after the graduation ceremonies of the College of Law.
So this is something very new or look forward gid sa aton mga stakeholders, Doc, no, kiti nagbunga na, no, ang plano naton salin sa planning, no, makita naton. So and now it's the realization of that project. So with that, Doc, our foundation day is almost, no, manog foundation day naman kita. So may ara na bala, Doc, mga plans or exact plan kung anong matabo sa aton nga foundation day?
Yes, we are about to celebrate our foundation day this June, second week of June to be exact. No?
Okay.
Our initial plan actually is to make it grandiose and big. Pero we did not anticipate that there's going to be an energy crisis because of the war. We have readjusted our plans for the foundation day. So we'll make it simple.
Siguro, we'll just have the usual
offering of or laying of flowers sa aton nga memorial area, and then perhaps we can invite a speaker to talk to us to relive, no, the more than a century of existence of West Visayas State University. This is a very significant development or a significant celebration. Kay man
an organization cannot move forward without honoring a shadow of its past.
So we really put premium sa aton nga foundation day. Kay this gives us our own identity. So sorry sa aton nga mga stakeholders nga gin-simplify naton ang celebration naton this year.
Yes, that is very true, Doc. Kahit may equally important, Doc, nga well, amo gina Dok, no, we have to compromise gid for the good of everybody. So speaking of the crisis that we are undergoing right now, Doc, can you please reiterate the measures that we are doing here in our university? Balaan naton last naton episode na mention nimo ini, Doc, no? So can you just tell our viewers again kung anong mga measures naton, Doc, nga ginaobra?
Yes, Ma'am Babes. No, so naka-issue na ako sang memorandum on how we can save energy sa aton nga mga stakeholders kag sa different colleges and external campuses. What is sad about what the university will have to adjust to is the change or the reoffering back of the 20% budget back to the government. So ma-offer na kita this May 15 a reduction of our 20% from our GAA approved budget. So medyo dako gawa ang 20%. So what are the implications of having this cut, no? So ma-cut kita sa aton nga operational expenses and utilities, sa mga travels and non-priority things or areas nga hindi naton nga kinahanglan nga i-realize this year. Kay ti mauli kita na isang kwarta sa government. This is true to all agencies, hindi lang ang state universities and colleges, hindi lang West Visayas State University. But the administration will make sure na ang aton nga priority areas will be funded and that we will still sustain our operations and look towards achieving our targets for the year despite the budget cut.
Yes, no. That is very true, Doc, no. Kagti na notice naton nga mga travels, no, sa subong may note
So hindi sila makibot natin kaysa hindi ko ma-approve because only those necessary travels will be approved by the administration.
Also the activities, Doc, no? So this is something that we have to consider when we prepare our activities in the opening of the school year, Doc, no? We have to really make sure nga ini in accordance man sa mandate sang aton nga opisina sang presidente nga we really have to save.
Yes.
And we can only do that if we help each other, Doc, no?
So para maintindihan nila, all areas of our line item budget will have to offer 20% less. So hindi lang isa ka category, no, funding category like sa MOA, hindi tanan buhinan gid.
No, that is very true, no. And we can matabok ta ini, Doc, no, if we help each other, if we intindihin nato ng isa kag isa. Kaya this is true sa tanan nga offices. So, any more, Doc, panugyan sa aton mga stakeholders, students, fellow staff diri sa West, Doc?
Well, siguro sa aton nga mga estudyante, especially the non-graduating students, please study hard. I know that your final examinations around this week or next week na. So, magtuon gid maayo. No? For the graduating students naman, congratulations in advance for achieving your dream of getting your respective degrees. Sa aton naman nga mga incoming freshman students, I know that we have already started interviewing ang aton nga mga students that will join us at West Visayas State University. Please do good in your aptitude exams and interviews. I would like to inform the public again and again that ang mga nakapasar sa aton nga initial screening sang West Visayas State University nga entrance examinations, hindi ini sila tanan makasulod. Tun kay salaon pagid sila the second time and salaon pagid the third time during the interview. So please do good, do your assignments, prepare very well para nga maka-join ka mo diri sa West Visayas State University.
Yes, that is very true, Doc, no? Kagluyag lang naton, liwat suliton sa viewers naton nga wala sang secret ingredient ang West. We choose the best, kag we choose those who are Doc, ang mga the best.
Mga gungan.
Sige, Doc. And of course, sa students naton nga wala gid sang recognition, syempre, Doc, no, hindi magkasubo. no, kahit hindi man inatalaksan, no, sa graduating students naton nga ti.
Yeah.
Simply you graduate, no, be thankful gid ya sa university, sa parents ninyo, most especially no nga tinatabok ninyo ang 4 years, no, nga pag dadol-dadol diri sa sulod sa university, Doc.
Ay, Ma'am Babes, before I forget, no?
Yes,
so,
Doc.
we will be having our graduation ceremonies for the undergraduate program diri mismo sa campus, and
Wow.
it will be in front of the historic and iconic Quezon Hall.
Wow.
So we will do that. No? So we
Oo.
will do the necessary precautions against uncertainties, especially of the weather.
Yes.
Pero we would like to have it at Quezon Hall para ang tanan nga ginikanan maka-witness ang graduation.
Yes, so that is something, no, nga ti ligad nga tuig kung ma-recall naton, Dok, medyo limited ang access ang ginikana, no. Ala lang sila sagwa sang venue, but now the administration, the office of the president made sure no nga tanan, no, balaan naton basta graduation, Dok, jeep na iyang kaladto
isa na
diri.
kabagon.
Yes,
Tara
sa
nanda.
kabagon, no, para makatambong sining seremonya naton. So that is really something you look forward sa graduating students naton, Doc. Sige, I think we covered up na necessary things nga luyag naton ipalabot sa stakeholders naton for the month of May. No, so kabay pa nga ato na intindihan ang journey sang West Visayas State University sa sulod sang isa ka bulan nga ini, Doc. Any more message or greetings nga luyag nimo, Doc, ipalabot sa aton viewers?
Wala na gid man ako sang ihambal pa sa aton nga mga taga-West nga stakeholders, kundi maghalong lang sa epekto sang high heat index. And it's a good thing, no, that the university has already adopted the board-approved quick response to natural and man-made disasters, including the weather disturbances and the high heat index. So this time we are making our decisions more scientific because we get our data directly from Pag-asa. So kung ano man ang makita nila nga issuance coming from other offices, wala gid inaton ini sila ginabaton hook, line and sinker. We always go back to the Pag-asa issuances, say dira kita naga-decide whether to suspend classes or to modify our classes. Maghalong gid, drink plenty of water, and avoid direct heat coming from the sun.
Yes, that is very true, Doc. Kag sa bulan sang Mayo nga ini ginaselebrar man naton, Doc, ang Mother's Day. No, so we would like to greet our stakeholders, staff of West Visayas State University nga mga Iloy, no? So happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day sa
Yes,
tanan nga mga nanay.
Yes, Doc. Kagti, every day is Mother's Day. Na-highlight lang siya sa buong nga May. Sige, so before we end, Doc, we would like to say thank you to our sponsors again and again, no, sa W Flowers, sa nakita ninyo nga matahom nga bulak, no, they are located sa, ang ila office located sa The Galleria, 69 Halandoni Street, Barangay Our Lady of Lourdes, Haro, Iloilo City. And this coming Mother's Day, they have Mother's Day promo. So kindly check their Facebook page, The W Flower Shop. Okay?
Kag
And-
madamo man, ma'am, nga salamat
Yes,
sa aton nga College of Communication for sustaining this program. Sa aton nga mga interns, kay Sir Miljo, kay Dean Rona, madamo gid nga salamat sa inyo.
Yes, thank you. And hindi naton paglipatan, Doc, ang aton vitamins. Vitamin C, as in coffee.
Coffee.
No, we would like to say thank you to Brotherhood, no, Coffee Brotherhood, located in Haro, no, and they also have in malls diri sa aton city, sa Iloilo City, and they have new offerings tining summer. They have summer drinks available. They have Mont Blanc and Sunkissed Choco. So kindly check also their Facebook, Coffee Brotherhood Haro. Okay?
Thank
Or
you, Coffee Brotherhood.
Brotherhood. Thank you, Gid, for sponsoring our coffee today. So sa liwat, Doc, maayong adlaw sa tanan, and God bless us all.
Bye!